Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up to this beautiful scenery in Shimla and now I'm going to renew my passport. Whenever I'm in Shimla, I always choose to walk. I love walking in the streets. The air is so fresh, there's so much greenery. You kind of feel rejuvenated. It's almost like meditation. Hey guys, what's up? I'm heading to the passport office today because I have to renew my passport. There was like still 4 to 5 months of validity left, but if you have to fly internationally, so there has to be at least 6 month validity, and because of that, I had to come to Shimla so urgently, and today I'm going to go to the passport office. I had no idea कि 6 month वैलिडिटी होनी चाहिए एंड आई वाज सो चिल कि हाँ मेरा पासपोर्ट तो वैलिड है मैं तो मज़े से चले जाऊँगी एनीवे द mode of travel I chose was a bus. Since childhood I've been traveling in buses and it's pretty comfortable, plus the view is so pretty, the air is so fresh, and I kind of like it. Also in Shimla it's the cheapest way to travel. There are no autos and the taxis are quite expensive, so I'm on my way to the passport office. Hi guys, so I'm pretty early for my interview. I'm almost 45 minutes early. Well, that was the plan actually, because I wanted to walk a distance from my home and then take a bus and then come and enjoy, chill here, maybe make a vlog or anything. There's this monastery in Panthagati that I've been wanting to visit for quite some time. Let's see, maybe after the interview I'll go there today. In all the years that I have lived in Shimla, I've never went to this monastery. So hopefully I'll go to that monastery today and maybe meditate for a while. Um, I hope all my documents are like proper. I don't want to get into any more trouble. Even though I did consult some agent and he told me कि ये passport और ये सब सारे documents लेके जाओ, तो मैं सारे documents लेके तो आई हूँ. I'm just hoping कि I go there, they take my interview. There's one more thing, that when I got my passport made, I was a minor, and now I'm not, so they might have to do some police verification and everything. So उस वजह से passport आने में time लग सकता है, but I'm like really short on time. I need my passport urgently. After that, I sat in this rain shelter for a while and then I went for my interview. It got over quickly because there was no crowd as such. When I came out of the interview, I was extremely hungry, and this was the view outside the office. I looked for places to eat. This particular joint did not have a good menu, and then I kept looking around and I was not able to find any place to eat food. So then I found this place, which was, again, it was locked. I think because of COVID, a lot of places are not doing business at the moment. And then I found this place. It said bakery and restaurant, but इट वॉज़ अ बैंक्वेट एंड मुझे वहाँ पे जाके भी कुछ खाना नहीं मिला एंड मैं बहुत भूखी हो गई थी बाय दिस टाइम. एंड देन आई सॉ दिस भुट्टा वाला शॉप, एंड मक्की का भुट्टा लिटरली सेव द डे टुडे. आई वाज सो हंग्री. After eating, I went to the monastery, and some of the locals told me that it's not open to the visitors at the moment, that you cannot enter the meditation area. So I just went inside and had a look. On my way back, I found this little shop which was selling these really cute mugs, and I bought this white mug which has a lid on top. Look at these are so pretty. And now I'm on my way to meet my friend. This is Tripti, which is like a bakery cum restaurant, and that's my friend Pratibha. I really like this place mostly because it has huge windows and good chocolate pastries. The view outside is very beautiful. I think that's one of the best selling points of this place. Then we ordered food and I ordered cold coffee with garlic bread. Hi guys, so I just finished eating my food and the garlic bread was nice, but the coffee was not that great. I requested them to try to add sugar and coffee to it in order to make it a little more tasty. But it didn't work. The only thing I like the most is this mouth freshener that they have given. This is the mouth freshener. And Pratibha, ये कैसा लग रहा है?
काफ़ी अच्छा, रजनीगंधा जैसा।
रजनीगंधा टाइप्स है. The garlic breads were nice as well. Again, the view is very pretty. The place is nice. I only think the food needs to be better. After this, we went to this Tara Devi temple in BCS. I absolutely love this place for the kind of wooden work that has been done. Pahari architecture is very well known for its wooden work, and earlier they used to make houses with wood, mud and stone, also known as Katkuni architecture. After that, we roamed around, spent time talking and had a lot of fun, and now we are heading back home. I love car drives in Shimla at night. Everything is so beautiful and the city lights are almost like stars, as you can see. Hey guys, so after going to the temple, me and my best friend Pratibha, we chilled for a while and had a lot of fun. It was a good day. I'm pretty happy that I went to that monastery that I always wanted to. I mean, even though they didn't allow me inside, but it was nice. अभी बस दादी ने केले और दूध मंगाए हैं तो मैं वो लेके घर जा रही हूँ. And I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.